Every flight you take is built on trust. Trust in the precision, dedication, and expertise that keep aircraft safe. At Qatar Airways, that trust is brought to life here, behind the scenes, at one of the most advanced airline maintenance hubs in the world. This is where machines, materials, and human expertise come together to keep every flight safe and every journey running smoothly across a fleet of more than 300 aircraft, spanning 17 types. Qatar Airways maintenance hangars at Hamad International Airport cover over 2 million square feet and form one of the most advanced aviation maintenance centers in the world. It can house up to 14 aircraft, including 2 A380s, and can hold the equivalent volume of over 2,400 Olympic-sized swimming pools. In addition to the main hangar, we have the Qatar Executive Hangars, servicing the Qatar Executive Fleet. The 6,300 square meter facility includes dedicated infrastructure for private jets, central to Qatar Executive's private jet charter services, aircraft management, and maintenance operations. With state-of-the-art aircraft bays and an entire network of over 20 specialized workshops, every inch of this place has a purpose. Question: how many people do you think work across all the maintenance hangars and workshops? Keep watching, and we'll reveal the answer at the end of the video. Before an aircraft even enters the hangar, line maintenance forms the first and most critical layer of safety. Carried out directly on the ramp between flights and during overnight stops, it includes technical inspections, defect rectifications, fluid servicing, component checks, and cockpit verifications, all completed under strict regulatory standards before an aircraft takes to the sky. So, what happens within the walls of this vast maintenance facility? Let's step inside the Wheels and Brakes workshop, where the entire journey of wheel refurbishment takes place in one single room. Each wheel is meticulously dismantled into individual components. Then, every piece is expertly cleaned with high-powered precision washers, restored by skilled technicians, and rigorously tested on state-of-the-art equipment. Then, with exacting care, it's reassembled and polished to perfection, ready to return to the fleet. Did you know? Aircraft tires are often changed more frequently than car tires to ensure safety every single time an aircraft lands. And it doesn't stop there. Between daily operations and heavy maintenance cycles, light maintenance provides a deeper, preventive layer of protection. These scheduled checks focus on early detection of wear, system health, avionics, cabin systems, and structural inspections, with a turnaround time of up to 24 hours, ensuring peak reliability at all times. Beyond this, an array of specialist workshops keeps every part of the aircraft in peak condition. The non-destructive testing team inspect the aircraft structures, while the trim workshop restores interior panels to pristine condition. Upholstery is carefully repaired with fabric sewn, leather refreshed, and cushioning restored to look and feel as good as new. New carpets are cut with absolute precision, tailored to fit each cabin contour perfectly, ensuring a flawless finish every time. Safety rafts and life vests undergo rigorous inspection and testing, each one inflated, checked, and certified to guarantee it will perform flawlessly in the rare event it's needed. This is the engine facility, capable of housing up to 80 engines at once. To put that into perspective, a Formula One car produces around 1,000 horsepower. That means this facility represents the equivalent of around 8,000 Formula One cars. In the paint shop, parts are expertly repainted, restoring a flawless finish that keeps them sleek, protected, and ready to withstand the extreme conditions of flight. Even decals are printed on site to exacting standards, produced with sharp detail and cut with precision, then applied by hand with meticulous care to ensure a perfect finish. Every Qatar Airways aircraft equipped with Starlink had its installation completed right here. Then, there's even an entire machine dedicated to, well, Take a guess. Leave your answers in the comments, and I'll tell you at the end of the video. Throughout the plane, a world of electronics keeps everything humming. Avionics engineers handle the complex brains of the aircraft, such as navigation, communication, and flight control, while other teams care for the award-winning Oryx One in-flight entertainment system. Workshops are only as good as the parts that keep them running. That's why this airline operates a state-of-the-art parts warehouse, housing over 200,000 components across 2 kilometers of racking. Imagine a library that stretches the length of 20 football fields, but instead of books, it's filled with every spare part an aircraft could ever need. You might expect it to take hours to locate the one you require, but here, the process is fully automated. So at the touch of a button, the exact part is delivered to your hands in seconds. Every 20 months or so, each aircraft undergoes a C-check, an intensive inspection that takes it out of service for up to 2 weeks. From structural panels to cabin systems, every component is examined, tested, and restored to keep the aircraft in peak flying condition. Let us know in the comments if you would like to see a deep dive video on the entire C-check process. And tying it all together is a culture of learning, where every technician is constantly trained, certified, and equipped to handle the latest aviation technology. At Qatar Airways, maintenance isn't just a process. It's a promise, upheld with care, pride, and unmatched expertise. Inside this vast maintenance hub, some 3,700 dedicated professionals work in harmony to keep every aircraft in peak condition. And that mystery machine? It ensures the faucets in every onboard bathroom deliver perfect water pressure every time. A small detail, perhaps, but one that speaks volumes about the extraordinary lengths Qatar Airways goes to, so that in every moment you experience nothing less than the finest in the sky.